Hello everyone. This is applicable tech skills again. Wow, we will be killing two birds here also in this video with just this one video. So we'll be running through episode 6 and episode 7, which is uploading media and managing comments. So the uploading media won't take long. That's why it's advisable to actually merge it so that we don't have videos like that to watch and things like that. So let's just go straight to it. So anything you want to do, like we've already said, go to your dashboard. Period. Now we can see the left hand side that says media. Wow, that's awesome. So let's click on it, right? Then you can see what we have here. We from the previous video we uploaded a track. We uploaded two images also from the previous videos. So if you want to add more, you can just click on add new, then drop. You can see you can drag and drop, or you can select files like that and on like that. So let's just do something so that we can be fulfilled. You can be happy that we did something. Let's do this. So you can see it's uploaded, and that's it. That's what we have there. So uploading media, that's done. Then so it's done fine, but also it's also important to do things like adding attributes here that says okay that describes the name of that image, you understand. So you can even add caption if you want, but it does not really matter. In fact, it does not matter right now, because if you are adding caption, then that might affect your image. So just leave it that way for now. Then the alternative text is very important because it's good for SEO, search engine optimization. So always try your best to do it. It's always daunting sometimes, when you start growing bigger, it's always daunting to edit this, edit that, like kind of, then your meticulousness would have reduced from possibly, maybe you were 100% meticulous, but after a while, after doing and doing and doing kind of a routine thing, then it starts being like, okay, it does not really matter. But it's very important to note that the alternative text matters a lot. The title matters too. So I think that's that. So then the way I've uploaded the image, so also you can upload video, but it's not advisable to upload a video. If you want to upload your videos and yeah, if you want to upload your videos, just use YouTube and embed it the way you've embedded it the last episode. You understand? So I think that's just that. Then this one is saying library. Oh, this is our library now. So then add new, like just like the post that we always have. You can see just give us this upload form. So you can just click on the select files or drag and drop. So we all know how to do a drag and drop, right? So I'm not going to show that to us. So I think that is that for media upload. But before that, before I say that is that, before I move away from that, you can see that without even getting to this media area, we can also still upload media from posts. We can upload media from pages. If you watch other videos, you realize that we used upload. We uploaded um, featured image. We uploaded featured image and other things like that. So keep that in mind also. Thank you very much for that. So the next thing to go about now is the comments. Comments. So um wow. We didn't um do a comment when we were talking about posts. So I'm just gonna go to one of our posts and create a comment now. So let's go to applicable skills. So let's create a comment here. Wow, see this demo page is awesome. You understand? This demo page is awesome. So click on post, boom. You can see now you have your what this demo page is awesome. And on the back end also, you're going to be having that. This demo page is awesome. You can see it. Now, one thing is there. You can see I can still edit it here. But one problem that we have here is that what if somebody posted or comment a very terrible comment about your post, and you don't want it to display, or possibly you want to moderate your post. No, you don't want any Tom, Dick, and Harry to have access to it. Wow, that's great. So all you have to do is just, you know, unapprove, mark as spam. You understand? That's it. Just mark it as spam and things like that. But there are other things you can do to 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 do that also. Right in here, when you go to settings there, you are going to see something around that area. Wait, let me check. Sorry about what is happening right now. Yeah, I'm trying to check. Find there where it is. Okay, fine. You can see. So now here you can see. Just go to settings, go to discussion, and you're going to be seeing the settings where it is. So you have it says allow people to submit comment on new posts. So if you don't want them to submit comment on new post, then off it. You can just off it. So it's off generally on everything. You get. So this is where the ping back happens. You allow ping backs from other blogs and on new posts and things like that. If you want to, if you want to, and but if you don't want, you can just remove it. So other comments author will fill out name and email. Well, if you want them to fill out their name and email before they comment, you can leave that. That's if they are not registered. User must be registered or log in to comment. If you want them to log in or comment, to log in to be able to, or to register to be able to comment. Automatically close comment on post other than what 14 days. Of course, you can do that. Possibly, maybe the time has passed for the post. So imagine um hush puppy this, hush puppy that. Sorry for using that. Um, right now, the whole, I'm going to use a Nigerian word now. The whole giri giri has gone. So you can just close the comment, and that's all from the page. So show comments, cookies, and things like that. Enable threaded nested comments. Threaded nested comments is just like, when you reply to a Facebook post. Sorry, when you comment on a Facebook post, so you know that you can form a trend like that, like that. Also, the same thing with Twitter. You can also form a trend there also. So break into pages. You can break comments into pages. So imagine a comment is becoming like 100, 50. Okay, 50 now. So you can set the amount per page. So when they click on next, it will still show the post on top, but it will show another 50 comments that we have. So and on and on and on and on and on. You can just click go on and start having a lot of things here. It said comment must be approved previous comment author must have previously approved comments. Well, before comment appears, comment must be manually approved. Fine. So it was manually approved. So I'm going to just click on manually approved for us to see that, so that we can realize that it's that's just the way it is. So I'm going to click on um, test manual approval. So post. So that should not work, except, oh, it's working because it don't work, but it's working because I'm the admin. You understand? I'm the admin. So I'm going to check this out on incognito mode. Sorry, let me just pick on that. I'm going to check this out on incognito mode. Incognito mode. So I'm not logged in now. You can see what I have to fill to be able to comment. Eh? See what I have to comment. VTU business portal.com. So you can try to save my email in the browser or something. Well, yes, but post now. Wow, you can see your comment is awaiting moderation. Your comments are awaiting moderation. So only me should be able to see this comment, because is posted right now, because let's just erase that and let's see. Let's check the side back. You can see that we can't see that comment because the person is not an admin. So it's not logged in and it's not an admin yet. So I'm just going to come here now and reload this. I'm going to be able to see the comment because I'm an admin. I can't even see it also. So that's how you set that. So when you now try to come to comment back, you're going to be seeing it here. You can see that it's having a red badge here. Then click on approve. Fine. So when you now go back to here, try to reload. You can see what we have there. Three comments, sorry, three replies now is now showing. So if we try to go back to our incognito browser to open that up, you're going to see three comments right now. Can you see that now? That is now showing, and it's showing my name. Though I'm not logged in, but it's showing my name. So that is that for comments. I think we've been able to successfully kill two birds with one stone. So stay tuned. Kindly subscribe. Invite people to subscribe. 1,000 is our target now. Then we'll move from 1,000 again. Please, please, please help us to grow and help us to make more videos. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next episode. That is where things start to get interesting, because we are almost at the end of the episodes, at the end of the season. So I'm just going to try to check out our timetable here. Sorry, our course outline here. So we have working with widgets and sidebars and menus. So we just have 2 episodes left to go. So for this season, before we now move um to season 2, that has the customizer and things like that. So